Once there lived a princess called Chocolate with her parents in a beautiful castle. They were very happy together, and all the people of the kingdom lived in peace and harmony. But everything changed on the princess's 15th birthday. A grand celebration was held in her honor, and all the loved ones of the royal family were invited. Among them, a jealous witch, envious of their happiness, secretly plotted against them. In the midst of the festivities, the witch kidnapped Princess Chocolate and vanished. The king did everything he could to rescue his daughter. He pleaded with the witch, offered treasures, and even tried to confront her, but all his efforts failed. In desperation, the king made a royal announcement, inviting princes from neighboring kingdoms to take on the challenge of rescuing Princess Chocolate. He promised that whoever succeeded would marry the princess and become the next king. Among them, a smart and brave prince accepted the challenge. Instead of rushing blindly into battle, he used his intelligence and courage to outwit the witch, rescued the princess, and brought her back safely. Soon, the princess and the prince were married, and joy returned to the kingdom. Peace and happiness once again filled the air. Moral: jealousy leads to misery, but true courage and wisdom can conquer all. Kindness, bravery, and intelligence always win in the end.